Blockchain Industry Briefing, December 10, 2024. 1. Competition between Pepe Coin, Pepe, and Lightchain AI ***. Pepe Coin is a cryptocurrency driven by internet memes, which has established a stable community foundation. Lightchain AI, on the other hand, has proposed an innovative vision that combines blockchain and artificial intelligence, attracting widespread attention. 2. Development of Lightchain AI ***. Lightchain AI is currently conducting its initial token sale, pre-sale, presenting a rare opportunity for investors to acquire tokens at a favorable price. Lightchain AI aims to leverage blockchain technology and artificial intelligence to advance the development of blockchain technology and create new application prospects. 3. Summary ***. Pepe Coin and Lightchain AI represent two distinct development directions within the current cryptocurrency and blockchain industry. Lightchain AI, with its innovative design and vision, is garnering significant attention in the industry and is worth investors' consideration and participation in its initial token sale. The future of Ethereum, the rise of Lightchain AI. Article summary ***. 1. Lightchain AI is a groundbreaking cryptocurrency project that aims to solve the efficiency issues of traditional blockchains by integrating artificial intelligence technology with blockchain functionality, ushering in a new era of decentralized finance. 2. Two major innovations of Lightchain AI include the Proof of Intelligent Consensus Mechanism, POI, and the Artificial Intelligence Virtual Machine, AIVM. These technologies enable Lightchain AI to seamlessly integrate decision-making and governance into the blockchain infrastructure. 3. Compared to Ethereum, Lightchain AI has clear advantages in transaction fees, scalability, and innovation capabilities, positioning it as a potential leader among next-generation smart contract platforms, with the possibility of even surpassing Ethereum. 4. For investors, Lightchain AI presents enormous growth potential. Its AI-driven applications can be widely applied in supply chain management, healthcare, finance, and other fields, offering substantial returns. 5. Currently, Lightchain AI is in its pre-sale phase, with a price of only $0.001125 per token, making it a rare investment opportunity. Investors should seize this moment to become early participants in the Lightchain AI ecosystem. In summary, with its innovative technology and vast application prospects, Lightchain AI is poised to become the next blockchain powerhouse after Ethereum. For investors, participating in the pre-sale of Lightchain AI now is a unique opportunity worth serious consideration. Bitcoin reserves continue to decline, indicating a clear trend of long-term holding by investors. December 10, 2024. Key points ***. 1. Bitcoin exchange reserves have hit a multi-year low of only 2.46 million BTC, reflecting that investors view Bitcoin as a long-term investment tool. 2. In the past month, the illiquid supply of Bitcoin has increased by 185,000 BTC, accounting for 75% of the total circulating supply, indicating that a significant amount of Bitcoin is being held long-term. 3. Despite a recent drop in Bitcoin's price of about 2% to $94,000, which triggered $578.6 million in liquidations, market sentiment remains optimistic, with expectations that the price may break $100,000 by the end of the year. 4. Following President Trump's re-election, Bitcoin's price once reached $99,600, and analysts believe a supply shortage may occur, further driving up prices. Summary ***. The continuous decline in Bitcoin exchange reserves reflects investors' perception of Bitcoin as a long-term investment tool. Despite short-term price fluctuations, the combination of supply contraction and policy expectations suggests that Bitcoin's price may break the $100,000 mark by the end of 2024. Briefing: The rise of Solana challenging Ethereum's position. 1. Ethereum dominates the cryptocurrency market, but is facing challenges from competitors like Solana in terms of products, developers, and decision-making. 2. Solana is attracting an increasing number of newcomers with its faster speeds and lower fees. Even Ethereum's most vocal supporters are beginning to question whether Ethereum needs to shift to a wartime state. 3. Ethereum's decision-making process is slow, plagued by internal political issues, making it difficult to adapt quickly to competition. Longtime Ethereum developer Max Resnick has chosen to join Solana, believing it offers more possibilities and potential. 4. The well-known NFT project Pudgy Penguins launched its token on the Solana network, sparking widespread discussion and seen as evidence of Solana's superiority over Ethereum. 5. The appointment of David O. Sachs as the new White House AI and cryptocurrency director may bring regulatory support to Solana. Sachs, an early investor in Solana, is optimistic about its technological framework and expects Solana to rise further as the regulatory environment improves. In summary, Solana is rapidly rising and challenging Ethereum's position. Its technological advantages, regulatory support, and investor recognition position it well to expand its market share in the future. Ethereum needs to accelerate its reform efforts to address the pressures from competitors like Solana. December 10, 2024 briefing: Bitcoin ETF holdings exceed Satoshi Nakamoto. The holdings of Bitcoin spot ETFs in the US have surpassed the 1.1 million BTC held by Satoshi Nakamoto, making it the largest holder of Bitcoin in the world. This marks a significant demand from institutional investors for Bitcoin. Bitcoin spot ETFs have significantly increased their holdings in 2024, doubling from early August to December, reflecting strong interest from institutional investors. This may be related to the upcoming pro-cryptocurrency government and declining interest rates. This milestone has raised concerns about the centralization of Bitcoin. However, the Bitcoin held by institutions only accounts for 5.5% of the total circulating supply and is distributed among multiple companies, indicating no centralization issue. This development signifies a substantial increase in Bitcoin's status among institutional investors and may prompt more countries to launch their own Bitcoin ETFs, accelerating Bitcoin's global adoption. This marks a 180-degree shift in how many governments view Bitcoin. Overall, the Bitcoin ETF holdings exceeding those of Satoshi Nakamoto reflect the ongoing growth in institutional demand for Bitcoin, which may further drive widespread adoption of Bitcoin globally. Briefing content, December 10, 2024, Changpeng Zhao. Key points *. 1. Former Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, CZ, stated that China may adopt Bitcoin as a strategic reserve, possibly emulating the plan proposed by U.S. presidential candidate Trump. CZ believes smaller countries may adopt Bitcoin reserves first, followed by larger countries like China. 2. CZ predicts that if the U.S. implements a national Bitcoin reserve strategy, it may encourage other countries, including China, to follow suit. He speculates that China may quietly accumulate Bitcoin without prior announcement. 3. After stepping down as CEO of Binance in November 2023, CZ remains an important voice in the cryptocurrency space. Despite facing some business restrictions, he continues to provide valuable insights on the potential applications of digital assets in national financial reserves. 4. Family members of Trump and other close allies, such as Eric Trump and Steve Witkoff, will attend the Bitcoin MENA conference in Abu Dhabi on December 12, attracting over 6,000 attendees. This highlights the increasingly intertwined relationship between cryptocurrency, technology, and politics. In summary, CZ's views reflect the growing geopolitical interest in Bitcoin and hint at how countries may incorporate digital assets into their financial reserve systems in the future. This trend is worth close attention. Briefing content: Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong calls for caution in partnering with law firms employing former SEC officials. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has urged cryptocurrency companies not to collaborate with law firms that have hired former U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) regulators. Armstrong pointed out that after former SEC enforcement chief Gerber S. Gruel joined Milbank LLP, Coinbase would no longer work with that firm. Armstrong believes that during the Biden administration, Gruel took excessively harsh enforcement actions against the cryptocurrency industry, which he deems inappropriate. He stated that if other law firms also hire such bad actors from the government, Coinbase will sever ties with them. Armstrong emphasized that this is not cancel culture, but rather a moral condemnation from the industry regarding such actions. He noted that these former regulators had the option to leave the SEC but chose to stay and enforce strict policies, and thus the industry should not bear the consequences of their actions. Overall, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong is calling for cryptocurrency companies to be cautious in choosing partners and to avoid collaborating with law firms associated with former regulators who have taken harsh enforcement actions against the industry, in order to protect the interests of the sector. Briefing: the national tour of the musical Parade set to launch December 10, 2024. 1. The musical Parade, which won the 2023 Tony Award for Best Musical Revival and Best Director, will kick off its national tour at the Orpheum Theater in Minneapolis on January 21, 2025. 2. The cast includes Max Chernin as Leo Frank, Talia Suskauer as Lucille Frank, along with some original cast members from the Broadway version. 3. The show tells the true story of Leo Frank, a Jewish man wrongfully accused of murdering a 13-year-old girl in Atlanta in 1913. The music is composed by Jason Robert Brown, with a book by Alfred Uri. 4. This is the second national tour of the show, following its first tour in 2000. The tour is produced by multiple production companies. Upcoming filming of the Peaky Blinders movie. 1. The Peaky Blinders movie is set to begin filming, with Cillian Murphy and Stephen Knight reuniting for the project. 2. The film will be set against the backdrop of World War II, exploring the Shelby family's circumstances and fate during the war. Expected returning characters include Oswald Mosley. 3. The production team is searching for new actors to join, including Tim Roth, Barry Keoghan, and Rebecca Ferguson. Some familiar faces, such as Sophie Rundle and Stephen Graham, are also expected to return. 4. Whether the film will serve as the official conclusion of the series or open new storylines remains uncertain and is highly anticipated. December 10, 2024 Briefing: Gavin Wood. Summary: 1. Gavin Wood, the founder of the Polkadot ecosystem, is promoting a new project called Jam, aimed at addressing challenges in writing and securing Web3 applications. 2. The Web0 Sub-Zero Reset conference will be held in Bangkok from November 9 to 11, where Dr. Wood will deliver a keynote speech introducing the vision and progress of the Jam project. The conference will also cover other innovations within the Polkadot ecosystem, such as interoperability, modularity, and scalability. 3. The JAM project aims to enhance the flexibility of Polkadot, making its core usable for any validation task, whether for smart contracts or sovereign blockchains, thereby maximizing its potential. It seeks to provide solutions to the scalability and consistency dilemma in Web3. 4. The Sub-Zero Reset Conference will offer rich learning opportunities, including speeches from industry leaders like Polkadot founder Robert Habermeyer and Anurag Arjun from Avail, as well as in-depth discussions on Substrate. The conference will also feature a 24-hour hackathon space, providing new teams with opportunities for collaboration and competition. 5. This conference represents an excellent opportunity for global developer talent to learn about cutting-edge innovations in the Substrate and Polkadot ecosystem, including network upgrades, parachains, solo chains, and key topics like JAM. In conclusion, Gavin Wood is leading the Polkadot ecosystem forward, and the Sub-Zero Reset Conference will provide developers with a platform for in-depth learning and exchange, collectively advancing Web3 technology. December 10, 2024 Briefing: Joseph Lubin's diverse career journey. Joseph Lubin is a versatile figure in the tech and finance sectors. After obtaining a degree in electrical engineering and computer science from Princeton University, he conducted research in autonomous mobile robotics, machine vision, and artificial neural networks. He later participated in the development of autonomous music composition tools and served as the director of the New York office of the software consulting firm Blacksmith. In finance, he worked at Goldman Sachs and operated a series of hedge funds with partners. 2 years ago, Lubin was invited to join the Ethereum project. Meanwhile, Lubin's student Mokhtar Bacha founded a security startup named Formal. Formal focuses on providing reverse proxy services for data storage and APIs, helping businesses better manage access to sensitive data. Formal completed a $5.8 million seed round of funding by the end of 2023, attracting interest from notable investment firms like Thrive Capital. What sets Formal apart is its ability to automate the configuration of security policies for new data storage and applications, significantly simplifying data access management for enterprises. Formal has already secured well-known clients such as Gusto, Notion, and Ramp, demonstrating the recognition of its security model. In summary, Joseph Lubin's career spans multiple fields, showcasing his versatility. Formal represents a successful entrepreneurial endeavor by his student, providing innovative solutions for enterprise data security management. Briefing: Wu Jihan, the uncontested king of cryptocurrency mining hardware and pools. Wu Jihan is the undisputed king of cryptocurrency mining hardware and pools. His company, Bitmain, is headquartered in Beijing and has reached a valuation of $12 billion following a recent round of financing. Wu is a strong supporter of Bitcoin Cash, a controversial fork of Bitcoin. Earlier this year, his company led a $1.1 million funding round for the cryptocurrency startup Circle. Wu expressed to Fortune magazine his interest in stablecoins, price-stable virtual currencies, and plans to diversify Bitmain's business by developing artificial intelligence chips. The mysterious identity of Bitcoin's creator. December 10, 2024. Summary ***. The true identity of Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, remains a persistent mystery. Despite numerous claims of being Nakamoto, none have provided conclusive evidence. The article outlines 4 individuals believed to potentially be Nakamoto: Dorian Nakamoto, Craig Wright, Nick Szabo, and Peter Todd. Key points ***. 1. Satoshi Nakamoto is the anonymous creator of Bitcoin, and their true identity has yet to be confirmed. 2. Dorian Nakamoto, Craig Wright, and others have been identified as potential candidates, but none have been substantiated. 3. Nick Szabo is considered a likely candidate for being Nakamoto due to his proposal of a concept similar to Bitcoin called BitGold in 2008. 4. While Nakamoto may hold a significant amount of Bitcoin, the exact quantity remains uncertain, estimated to be around 1 million BTC. 5. The Bitcoin community has continuously sought to unveil Nakamoto's identity, but to date, no definitive answers have emerged. In summary, the identity of Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, remains an unsolved mystery, with various speculations and investigations failing to provide conclusive answers. The true identity of this enigmatic figure may never be determined. Briefing: Andreas M. Antonopoulos participates in a podcast about Axie Infinity. On December 10, 2024, Andreas M. Antonopoulos participated in a podcast discussing Axie Infinity, a play-to-earn game based on Ethereum that has gained widespread attention in places like the Philippines. The game allows players to buy, breed, trade, and battle in-game non-fungible token (NFT) characters called Axies. Some players have even earned enough income to quit their jobs. During the pandemic, Axie Infinity became even more appealing, leading to business models such as scholarships and lending programs. This has sparked discussions about the ethical implications of geographical inequality in job opportunities. On one hand, it provides participants with earnings far above local economic levels. On the other hand, it can be seen as wealthy countries outsourcing low-wage work to individuals with fewer options. Antonopoulos and other guests discussed whether Axie Infinity is a solution or a scam, and whether it can maintain its relevance. The episode also addressed the impact of the MailChimp internal leak on cryptocurrency holders.